Start. For asserting the market value of the land, the potentiality of the acquired land should also be taken into consideration. Stop. Potentiality means capacity or possibility for changing or developing into state of actuality. Stop. It is well settled that market value of a property has to be determined having due regard to its existing condition with all its existing advantages and its potential possibility when laid out in its most advantageous manner. Stop. The question whether a land has potential value or not, is primarily one of fact depending upon its condition, situation, user to which it is put or is reasonably capable of being put, and proximity to residential, commercial or industrial areas or institutions. Stop. The existing amenities like water, electricity, possibility of their further extension, whether near about town is developing or has prospect of development have to be taken into consideration. Stop. Para. In the light of the above principles, which have been reiterated in subsequent judgments and give effect to dependent on the factors and circumstances of each case, as is apparent from the judgments cited by the counsel for the parties referred to above, it can be said that normally the potentiality of the acquired land is the price of land which is a willing purchaser is ready to pay to a willing seller. Stop. The court, for making a fair assessment, looks into the bona fide transactions regarding adjacent lands subject to considerations like location, size and potential, etc. Stop. While doing so, the proximity of time is execution of the sale deeds of surrounding land and the quality of land are also taken into consideration. Stop. This much for looking into and taking into consideration the sale instances of same slash adjacent land. Stop. Broadly speaking, the first and foremost is the nature of the land and the purpose, for which it was being utilized on the date of the insurance of the notification under Section 4 of the IA Act, with a further consideration with regard to the potentiality of the acquired land. Stop. The purpose primarily is to determine the market value of the acquired land, which would be the price that a willing purchaser would pay to the willing seller. Stop. It is also required to be taken into consideration that when the land is acquired, generally, the owner is not interested in parting with his land, rather it is being compulsorily acquired. Stop. In such circumstances, potentiality of the land acquires a preeminent position. Stop.